So anyway, this is the color we decided on. As you can see, I'm not done with this shutter, but this is number 5 of 6. And I think the paint looks pretty good with the color of the brick and the grout that's in the brick. And my helper's around here somewhere. I don't know where she is. Oh, there she is. She's hunting birds over there, as you can see. She is the helper. But this is what they look like before. This has 2 coats of primer on it. It was pretty weathered, as you can see. I had to do a lot of scraping. There's some paint left on it that I couldn't scrape off, but I think it turned out pretty good. There's my ladder. There's my plumeria plants. They seem to like it here. I've had some flowers. So there's, and then you can see here, there's my flowers starting to get ready to grow. So I'm very excited about that. I gotta spray them, they've got rust. But here's there's the 2 windows that I've completed so far on that window. And then these 2 here. And they did turn out pretty good. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you guys an update. And there's our grass. It was completely dirt about a month and a half, 2 months ago. And now we've got grass growing in, and now we got to cut it all the time because it grows like crazy here. But we're very thrilled about it. Our backyard looks the same way. It was a lot of work. And all the holes have kind of filled in too. We had some bare spots that have finally come in. And there's little one. Hi, little one. Are you going to be a good kitty? Can you say hello to everybody? Can you say hi? Say hello. Say hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody. So that's my kitty. She's a helper. She's the indoor-outdoor cat. So she's a big helper, as you can see. Anyway, hope you guys are all having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you all soon. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.